So we've generated you a ton of potential customers to your landing page and qualified them to weed out the tire kickers from the ready to buy prospects. So this is where our third fundamental comes in, your personal ecosystem. So for every prospect that qualify for your services, they will be automatically redirected to a scheduling page where they're gonna have the opportunity to actually book a free 15 to 30-minute consult with you by themselves, which about 30% of your qualified prospect will end up booking on their own. Now, for the 70% of the qualified prospects that did not end up booking a call directly to your calendar, a bunch of human-like SMS, voicemails, and emails will be sent on your behalf automatically for as many as 5 days in order to reignite the conversation with them or get them to booking a call directly on their own. So you will be able to track your sales process, your conversations, as well as your exact ROI inside your personal ecosystem that we will grant you access to via your desktop or also your mobile app if you're on the go. Your personal ecosystem will also serve as a database that will collect all and every single prospect that comes into your ecosystem so that down the line, after working together for 2, 3, 4, 5 months, when you have a list of 300, 400, 500 names, email, phone numbers, and all the additional questions that they've answered to, when you have an offer from your firm or any other policies that you want to get ahead of your competitors, you can mass send it to that list and really have a second chance at the sale with that list. So if you see the value in having our team implement those systems for you on your behalf, I invite you to book in a free scaling strategy session with us.